shows out right now. And she's a popular character in the girl superheroes. So what I wanted to do is draw Supergirl. And we're gonna start right about there with a golden yellow hair, we will. Give her a bit of a high school look, I think. There we go. Floppy, popular hair it is, just like this. There we go. And this will shape our face just like that. Couple squirrely doos here. And then we can make our ear right about there. That's nice. And then we can draw her chin down to about there like that. And then up again. That's looking nice. And I believe she's got some big old eyes, she does. Just like this. Like that with a eyelash like that. Looking nice. Let's draw her blue eyes that we'll do later right here like that. Leave room for a highlight in her eye. The nose can be here like that. A little bit of an eyebrow like that. Looking good. And then this other eye will be behind her hair a bit, but we'll draw a little bit of it just so we know it's there. There we go, just like this. And then the black pupil will be there as well. Bit of an eyebrow there, and we're looking good. Now, her mouth was like this. That, and that. Start like that. Then her bottom lip comes down like that. And then we can break her top lip like this. Alrighty, looking good. That's Supergirl's head. And then her neck starts over here like that. And bring it on down like that. That's right, she's got a skinny but beautiful long neck. And then we can make a little dip-de-doo like this. And if you've gotten this far, you'll know that the cape comes here like this. So give it a couple of rolls here like that. Same on this side. This is looking nice. And then what we can do is we can make a, she's a strong girl, she is, because she is Supergirl, by the way. So she's got some pretty strong shoulders on her. Pretty strong arms. So we'll give them a little bit of muscle in there. Bring the arm down like this. Our forearm like that. This is looking good. Now we end our costume arm there like that. And then our chest can come like this. And all the way down like that. And then we do the same over here. We'll just bring the body up like that. This is looking nice. And then what we'll do is she's got a skirt that comes down like that. There we go. Give it a swirl like this. That's fun. And bring it on up like that. And we've got this bit here. It comes down into a V like this. Just like that. There we go. Very nice. Supergirl's looking good, everyone. Let's finish this other arm off like this here. Bring this down like that. And around here for her forearm there. All right. Now her hand can come down here. Just like these. Let's give her some fingers here like this. Her thumb there like that. There we go. This is looking good, everybody. The hand here like this. Bring some fingers in like this. I like it. All right, everybody. Now we can draw our legs down. 1 there. 2, 3, 4. Looking good, everybody. And then she's got some wonderful long calves like this. And like that. There we go. Perfect. Tiny little feet, just like this. Over here like this. Wonderful. Bring it on up. And our boots will come like this, right at the knees there. Pointy bits like that. Oh, I like it. Give it a bit of design there. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we'll draw the super S. Here we go. There we are, just like that. And then we bring the S here like this. Around like that. Mark it in like this. Little bit there. And around like that. Looking good, everybody. Wonderful. And let's not forget the cape coming down. There. And behind her here like this. Fantastic. It's Supergirl, everybody. Let's get to the color. Supergirl has light skin, blue top and eyes, yellow hair, belt and background symbol, dark red cape, boots, top lip, light red skirt, symbol, bottom lip. Thanks, everyone.